Hi everyone, I'm here to inspire you, motivate you, and to encourage you through my inspiring stories and thoughts. Stop gossiping and start befriending. What is gossip or gossiping? It means engaging in a gossip, or in other words, it is a waste of time and energy. We all of us have been possessed by the so called gossip. What is important for us to note is that does this gossip help us in any way? How do we know what we are gossiping is fake or real? Also, talk only if it really helps someone. There was a girl named Sujata. She was working in a textile factory. She had been working for many years in this company. Her primary duty was gossiping and manipulating. She wanted to be noticed by everyone in the office. She always wanted to get the attention from everyone. In order to get the attention of the managers, she used to talk ill of all the other employees who were working with her. She used to complain to the managers regularly about the co-workers. Initially, the managers believed her, but when it came to the performance appraisal, she was the worst performer while comparing with the others. The reason behind her worst performance was obvious, that her emphasis was on gossiping rather than on her own abilities and talents. While she pointed finger at others, she failed to notice the other four fingers which were pointing her own mistakes and blunders. The primary reason of her failure was that she never relied on her self-confidence, rather on the support of the managers. Finally, she was sacked by the company due to her poor performance. Friends, when we fail to focus on our abilities and talents, this is what will happen to us. We become victims of gossips in different places at different levels. Instead of developing your skills on manipulating and gossiping about others, discover your own abilities and talents which will give you hope and assurance in the near future. We are so much worried about what others do, what others think, what others wear, than about ourselves. There are two elements which are essential to avoid gossiping and manipulation. The first one, love yourself. When you love yourself, you will know the strength and weakness of yours. Once you are able to identify your strengths and weaknesses, you will know more about yourself. Once you come to know about yourself, you can begin to make wise decisions according to your talents and abilities. Hence, you will not have time to gossip about others. And the second quality is love your friends. Your love for yourself has to be manifested in the work that you do and the relationships that you build up with your friends. Always try to love your responsibilities and works. Once you are able to love what you do, your love for your work and for your fellow workers will make you as a successful person. When you are successful, you will not have time to gossip about others. Hence, stop gossiping and start befriending.